Hi, in this video I want to show you how you can gather input from the user, the person who's using your program. So in Scratch, let's set up a small program that prompts the user for information. So let's begin by clicking on Control, and we'll start very easily with just when the flag is clicked, so this up here, and then after that going to go into the turquoise area, which is sensing, and we'll ask, what's your name? Now we can go in here and we can edit this and make it any question we want, but let's do this and see what happens. So we'll click on the green flag. The cat asks, what's your name? And I'll type in Jim. And then check. And that's it, and nothing happens after that. Okay, so we've got the cat asking the question. Now let's have the cat do something else. Maybe we want the cat to respond, to say something back. So let's go back. Let's go up to the looks area and have the cat say hello. We'll run it again. What's your name? Jim. Hello. Okay. But maybe we want the cat to say hello, Jim. Well, let's see if we can figure out how to do that. Going back to sensing again. Here's the question I ask. Ask, what's your name, and wait. Now this answer, this is where the answer is stored. So when I type in Jim, when I'm asked that, the answer, whatever I type in, is put into this area. This button here allows me to keep track of it up here if I want. This is more for programming and for debugging than anything else. But also I'm going to put it here just so I can see what's going on. Okay, so how about instead of saying hello, we want it to say answer. Let's run it again. What's your name? Jim. So you can see Jim is now equal to answer. It says say answer, so the cat says Jim. Okay, not quite what we want. We want the cat to say hello, Jim. Let's try, let's see, under operators, we'll just scroll down here a little bit. What do we want here? What we want is an operator that will allow us to put a couple of words together. How about this one here? Join apple and banana. And what we'll do is we'll put answer in here, and we'll put hello in here. So if you put these two things together, it's hello, and then whatever's in the answer, which in this case is Jim. Hello, Jim. Then we'll drag this into here. So just going over the code again, when the green flag is clicked, it says, what is your name? Then it waits. I type in Jim. Jim goes into answer. And then the cat says, hello, Jim. What's your name? Jim. Hello, Jim. But it's all run together, so I'm going to put a little space right after the O, and that'll make it look a little nicer. Right? Okay. Okay, let's try something a little more complex now. So we've got the cat responding, but what if we want to ask a different type of question, one that might have, in which we want the cat to say something, a different thing depending on what we type in. So let's say the cat says, what is 4 times 8? Now in this case, if the person types in, say 32, which is the correct answer, we want the cat to say correct. If we type in a wrong answer like 47, the cat will say wrong. Now to do that, we need to have an if statement. So we'll go into the control area and we'll pull in this if else. Okay. Now, here's where it gets a little interesting. What we need to say is operators. We're going to pull in this. If answer is equal to 32, that's the correct answer. So if the answer is 32, we want to say correct. Okay, you follow? So what is 4 times 8? If the answer that I type in is 32, then the cat will say that. Otherwise, the cat will say, no, the answer is 32. Okay, I'm going to just press on Control and get rid of this. Control click to get rid of that block. Okay, our program's complete. So just going over, when the flag is clicked, what is 4 times 8? If 32, say correct. Otherwise, say no, the answer is 32. Let's try it. What is 4 times 8? I'll put in the wrong answer, 17. No, the answer is 32. So because the answer wasn't 32, it ignored this code and it went directly down and did this code. Now let's try it with the right answer. What is 4 times 8? 32. Correct. So this is a way, again, that you can ask the user for information, and then depending on what the user types in, you can execute different pieces of code.